Hey folks, Marcus here at Countrywood Smoke HQ, and today I'm going to be cooking surf and turf with a difference. So I love a good surf and turf. Some nice steak and some seafood together, usually prawns or something like that, and a nice ribeye steak. But today I'm going for something a bit different. I have some nice fillet tail here. I've trimmed up, so that's going to be cooked really quickly. And I have this fella here, hold it in very gently. So he is a little signal crayfish that I was given to try and cook. I've always wanted to cook one of these. I've popped this fella in the freezer for about 20 minutes just to slow him down, and I'm going to say goodbye to him in a minute and pop him on the grill. So this is a signal crayfish. It's classed as a pest, and they've come over from the US and they are taking over our rivers, so happy to see this one go on my grill. He's a big boy, so I'm going to cook him quickly and get him on the grill in a minute. First thing I'm going to do, so he's slowed right down now, he's been in the freezer. I'm going to put him out of his misery. So as you can see, he's slowed right down. He's not really aware of what's going on. And I'm going to go right in the middle there, and that's him gone. So you do the same with lobster or crab. There we go. So involuntary muscle twitching. I've allowed him to purge in cold fresh water for overnight, and so his guts are nice and clean. Just take down anything that looks a bit grim. There we go. Clean him up. And he is ready to go on the grill. I'm going to go for a little bit of chilli salt on it. There you go, you don't get fresher than this. And a little bit of chilli salt on the fillet steak tail. There we go. Pop these. I'm going to pop the steak on first, both sides. Pop the steak on first on the grill. So pop your steak on the grill. Looking for a nice hot grill, and it's going to be a couple of minutes aside. As you can see, this is pretty rapid. A bit more chilli salt. Looking for very rare for these fillet steaks. Rest. Check the temperature of the thicker bits. That one's done. Literally only a couple of minutes aside. While those are resting, so while the steaks are resting, pop your crayfish over the hot coals. Those will only take a couple of minutes. Okay, when they need a flip, a couple of minutes in, once they're nice and charred, turn them over, a little bit more salt, squeeze of lemon. Oh yes, they look good. Looking for that nice char on the shell, and you're looking for around 60 degrees inside. So they're cooked pretty much, 60 just coming up to. So as you can see, that's looking pretty special. The crayfish looks nicely cooked. The steak is nice and pink and moist. So I'm going to have a taste. It's not a huge amount, so this is a real treat. Look at that, beautiful. Oh wow, that's so fresh. It's got a nice savoury flavour from being cooked over charcoal. And even though it's from a river, it tastes quite a lot like the sea. It's wonderful, really good. First time I've had a really fresh crayfish like this, and yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Let's have a taste of the steak. So a nice bit of dry aged fillet steak, lovely. Oh wow. So that sits perfectly flavour wise with this wonderful crayfish. And nice bit of chilli salt on there just makes it really, really nice simple dish. So river caught crayfish and fillet steak. Happy with this. If you like what I do here at Countrywood Smoke, there's a box down there. You know what to do. Subscribe. Let me know you like my videos. It's all appreciated. Take care. Cheers.